Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add all open tabs to Bookmark or Favorite all at once in Chrome and Edge web browser for PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the Chrome web browser. So I have opened 3 different tabs as you can see here. So in order to add all these open tabs to bookmarks, what you need to do is just click on these 3 dot icons. And now just click on this bookmarks and list, and now you will see here one option, bookmark all tabs. Just click on it. Now you can create a new folder or you can select the respective already present folder. So I'll just select this bookmarks bar and click on save. You can see here one folder has been created. Now if I click on it, now you can see all the open tabs will be bookmarked inside this respective folder. So this is how you can do in your Chrome web browser. So now let's jump to the Edge web browser. Now similarly on my Edge web browser, I have opened 3 different websites. So in order to add this all open tabs to favorites, what you need to do is just right mouse click on the respective tab, and now you can see here add all tabs to favorites. Just click on it. Now you can select a respective present folder or you can create your new folder also. So I'll just select the favorites bar and click on save. So now you can see here one new folder is being created on my favorite bar. If I click on it, all the open tabs will be present here. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add all open tabs to bookmark or favorite all at once in Chrome and Edge web browser for PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the tabs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.